Hey guys, so it has been so long since I filmed a project pan video. Gosh, I don't even remember, honestly. I feel like things just got away from me because I was pre-filming for October and then October was just hectic. But yeah, honestly, I've decided to end this project pan early and then start fresh with a new season. So we're going to go through everything in here and decide what I want to keep, what I want to get rid of. So let's start. Alright, first we have the Amrezy Palette. It looks like this. I honestly feel bad because this makeup hasn't been touched in like probably a good 2 months, which means honestly I could probably live without all of it, but I don't want to do that. So we have the Amrezy Palette. I do want to keep that one. So this is the Revolution Mega Bronzer 02 Warm. I'll keep that. We have the Juvia's Saharan palette. Saharan. Oh, I don't know. I can't remember how many Juvia's palettes I have. So what I'll do is I'll hold on to it for now. But if I already have other ones, I might just compare and see what one I like better. The Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia. I feel like that honestly I can get rid of this. It's not something that I'll reach for if I'm being honest, so I feel like that can probably go. This is the Mecca Inland Powder, and I do actually really like this. I think it's really pretty, so I would like to hang on to that for now. Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. I feel like I should just use it up. I don't have much of it left at all, so I'll just hang on to it. The Jake Jamie Essence Spray, that can stay. This is the Focali Sunkist Monochromatic Blush Duo. I do really like this colour, so I think that can stay. This is the Exo Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter Powder in Aurora, and I do really like this. That can stay. The Morphe Concealer, that can stay. Colourpop Mascara, something tells me this would be absolutely dried up by now. I feel like I'm going to put that in an empties video. Because, yeah. Alright. Let's go through some of these lip products. We have Chi Chi Drop Dead Gorgeous. That's a pretty colour. I feel like that one can stay. I feel like I might move the camera in a little bit just so you guys can see a little bit better. Okay. We have Kylie in Amore, which is really pretty as well, which can stay. I think I want to keep all of her bullet lipsticks. Oh, that's not even hers. That's a Exo Beauty one. But I want to keep all of her lipsticks. This is the Exo Beauty one in Meraki, which is just not my colour at all. I'm going to declutter that one. I just can't ever see myself using it. I feel really sad doing that because I love Exo Beauty. Their products are amazing, but that is just not my colour and it's just not something that I'm going to reach for. So, alright. These BH Cosmetics Liquid Linens, they can all stay. They're really beautiful. I feel like the NYX Lingerie one can stay as well. I think I'm going to declutter this Colourpop, the Ultra Glossy Lip. It is so old. It's the one with Kathleen Lights in the shade Moonchild, and it's such a beautiful shade. But yeah, I'm gonna I think I might put that like in an empties as well, just because I think it's too old to pass along. So this BH Liquid Linen can stay as well. I'd really like the formula of them. So these Nude by Nature lips, we have Dusty Rose, which is quite pretty, I think. And then we have Pale Coral, and Blush Pink. Honestly, they all look the same. I can probably get rid of the Pale Coral one because that one looks most like the one I'm not going to use. These two look identical, to be honest. The Blush Pink and Dusty Rose. So I might just keep the Dusty Rose one and declutter the others. I have Chi Chi Beautiful Stranger. which can stay. That's a nice neutral. And we have Downtown Girl by Chi Chi, which can stay as well. They're both very pretty. So this is NYX Lingerie in Ruffle Trim. I feel like that's quite a nice shade as well, so that one can probably stay. My Anastasia gloss can stay. It's in the shade Toffee. Alright, these two palettes from Morphe, they can definitely stay. We have the 35i Icy Fantasy and the 39L Hit the Lights. But yeah, they both can stay. Have the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit. I just feel like I honestly don't need this one either. Like, yeah, I have the other ones that I like more. So all the setting sprays can stay just because, yeah, setting sprays are easy to kind of go through. So we have the Wonder Beauty Glow Getter Mist, the MAC Fix Plus, the Cherry Blossom one. Actually, I might get rid of the Wonder Beauty one. But the MAC one can stay, and the Tarte Mermist one can stay too. Anastasia Riviera, that can stay. It's a really pretty palette. This is the Revolution Mascara. I feel like I'm going to put this one in my empties as well. That is so dried up. We have some primers. I have the Maybelline Master Prime, the pore minimizing one, which I do really like. The Becca Velvet Blurring Primer and the Becca Foundation. I honestly really don't like these two products too much. Is it just time to get rid of them? I feel like it is. I'm just going to get rid of those. The Wet n Wild Press Powder, I really like. This one's in the shade Warm Light. It's such a good powder and it's really affordable. I really like the BH Cosmetics one as well. It's a really pretty powder. Looks like that. It reminds me a lot of the MAC one. I do really like the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, so that one can stay. All the little like eye toppery things can all stay as well because I really like them all. We have the Revolution Crushed Pigments. I have 3. I have Vindictive, Kinky and Sass Queen, so they can all stay. And then I've got the Tarte Chrome Paints. We have Citrine Frosé, Wild Heart and Pink Diamonds. This is the EXO Beauty lipstick in Wabi Sabi and I do really like this shade. I think it's so pretty, so that can stay. I have this Ofra liquid lipstick and I think this one's in the shade Unzipped, which is very pretty as well and can also stay. The BH Cosmetics Studio Pro brow pencil, that can stay. And Anastasia Dip Brow Gel, I just wonder if that's dried up. Yeah, it looks like it's quite dried up, so I'm going to put that in my empties as well. The BH Cosmetics bronzer I really like. Got some Tarte blushes in here. This is Fairy Flush, which can stay, and Party, which can stay. The BH Cosmetics Professional Primer, the Hydrate one, that can stay. The Too Faced Hangover Primer, I'm so close to using it up, so that can stay. I'll just use it up and then get rid of it. We have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray, and honestly that has like probably like 2 full faces left in it, so that can stay. Anastasia Eye Primer, I feel like I should just use it up and then, yeah. I have the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer and the BH Studio Pro Concealer, which I like. Both of those, they can stay. I'm just going to swatch these Colourpop Super Shock highlighters because there's one that's too dark for me. I think that one's okay. This one is Wisp, I think. Oh no, this one's Spoon, so that can stay. And then there's also one called Over the Moon. I just don't think that's the kind of thing I would wear anymore. So I might declutter the Over the Moon one. This is the Mecca Maxima bronzer, and I actually really like this bronzer. So that can stay. The Too Faced Peach Blur Powder, that can stay. Oh my gosh. As for these two palettes, we have the BH Cosmetics It's My Ray Ray palette. It is really pretty, but I just don't think it's something I'm going to reach for, if I'm being honest. So that can go. And then the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde. I still want to play with that some more, so that can stay. Then we also have the Morphe Brow Gel, which can stay as well. So now I need to put all of these back into my makeup collection. So yeah, you guys can come with me to do that, which is going to be hard because it's already chock-a-block as it is. Okay, I think I'm going to put away declutter the Juvia's Place palette because I just don't think I reach for it. So that's fine. So we only have a small declutter pile today, but that's fine. So yeah, expect to see the next project pan starting hopefully in the next week or so. We'll go through and choose some products and stuff. I'm doing some declutters, so I want to do that first and then go through and choose my stuff. But yeah, I'll put these away off camera because I can't get my camera over there at the moment. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!